Up everybody, welcome back to the channel. In this video I will be telling you how to get the Tapswap stream code. For that, the process is very simple. All you have to do is to go to their YouTube channel. In order to go to their YouTube channel, all you have to do is to open up their YouTube. Once the YouTube app is totally boot up, all you have to do is to go and search Tapswap. Once you do it, you will see their channel on top of it. So here you go. Make sure you subscribe to this channel, and once you do it, you will get the notification about their live stream. So once they live stream, all you have to do is to follow their live stream. The codes will be up in the live stream. So once you get the code, all you have to do is to go back to your Telegram and open up your Tapswap application. So once you open up your Tapswap application, you will see an icon on the main page. Whenever Tapswap team is streaming their video on the YouTube, you can simply paste the code from the YouTube stream to that particular option. So the code renews after every 15 minutes. So if you keep copy and pasting the codes after every 15 minutes, you will get eventually more than 100,000 coins in 30 minutes. So that's how it goes. I hope you find this video helpful.